Ever feel like the airport's out to get you? Like every step of your journey from packing to boarding is designed to stress you out and drain your wallet? Well, it's not just a feeling, it kinda is. But today, you're going to outsmart the system. These are the top 10 travel hacks and tips airlines, airports, and even fellow travelers hope you don't figure out. And trust me, number 7 changes everything. Hack number 1, pack like a spy, not a tourist. Most travelers pack emotionally. What if I go hiking? What if there's a last-minute gala? So you pack 3 types of shoes, 5 just-in-case outfits, and suddenly your carry-on weighs more than a toddler on a sugar high. Don't do it. Here's the pro tip. Pack for your actual itinerary, not your fantasy vacation, and use the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rule. 1 hat, 2 pairs of shoes, 3 bottoms, 4 tops, 5 pairs of socks, 6 pairs of underwear. Rotate and layer. Bonus, you'll never be that person wrestling a suitcase into the overhead bin while angry passengers stack up behind you. On the flip side, hack number 2 is about maximizing space like a Jedi. Compression packing cubes. Regular packing cubes? Cute, but barely useful. Compression cubes zip down to squeeze the air out, double your space, and keep you freakishly organized. TSA agents love them because they make it easier to check your bag. You'll love them because they make you feel like you've got your life together, even if your flight just got delayed. Again. Speaking of delays, here's hack number 3. Don't book tight layovers, no matter how efficient it looks. I know you're thinking, but it's only 45 minutes. Time is money, right? True, until your first flight is 42 minutes late and you're sprinting through O'Hare like an unpaid stunt double from Mission Impossible. Pro travelers build in buffer time, especially for international flights with customs, passport control, and airports the size of small cities. A smart buffer is 90 minutes domestic, 2.5 to 3 hours international. It's not wasted time, it's insurance against travel chaos. Now here's one they definitely don't want you to know. Hack 4. You can get paid for delayed or canceled flights, but they're not going to tell you. In the EU, if your flight is delayed more than 3 hours or canceled, you could be entitled to up to 600 euros in compensation under EU 261 law. Airlines count on you not knowing that. And in the US, if you get involuntarily bumped or your bags are majorly delayed, the DOT requires cash compensation, not just meal vouchers and sad little apology cookies. Use services like AirHelp or Compensair, or file directly through the airline's legal page. It's your money, go get it. Hack 5 is a personal favorite. Don't pay for water at the airport. Sounds basic, but here's the twist. They made it hard on purpose. You can't bring a full bottle through security, and you know that bottled water gateside costs more than your Uber ride home. Here's the move. Bring a collapsible empty water bottle in your carry-on. After security, fill it at the hydration station, not the germ-riddled water fountain. We'll talk about that later. But the proper filtered dispensers, which most modern airports have now. It's about staying hydrated without getting hustled. Bonus style points if your bottle has a built-in purifier. All right, hack 6. This one separates pros from rookies, seat selection games. There's an art to this. First, always check Seat Guru before picking a seat. That window in row 10 might be missing half a wall in the recline. Second, if you're flying with a partner and the plane has 3 seat rows, book the aisle and window, leaving the middle seat empty. Middle seats are the last to be selected, and that gives you a decent chance of scoring the whole row. If someone does show up, swap seats, and you still get one of the better spots. Now remember, I mentioned hack 7 would blow your mind. Here it is. You can access airport lounges even if you're not flying business. Like easily. Everyone walks past those glass doors assuming you need diamond status or a $20,000 Amex card. Not true. Apps like Lounge Buddy and Priority Pass offer day passes from 25 to 25 to 40. That's less than what you'd blow on 2 airport mimosas and a sad bagel. And the spread inside? Free snacks, drinks, comfy chairs, showers in some cases. If you have a long layover, it's a game changer. You're not just surviving the airport, you're thriving. Hack 8 is subtle, but powerful. Use VPNs when booking flights. Prices often change based on your location, browsing history, and even the device you use. It's wild. Try this. Clear your cookies, open an incognito tab, and connect to a VPN in a different country, especially one with a lower average income. Flights can be $50 to $300 cheaper just for booking from somewhere else. Oh, and don't book on Fridays. Studies say Tuesdays and Sundays tend to have better deals. Now let's talk about annoying airport problems, starting with hack 9, skip the worst bathrooms. The ones nearest to gates and baggage claim? War zones. Everyone heads straight there. Long lines, paper towels everywhere. Zero peace. Do this instead. After you land, bypass the first set of bathrooms. Walk 60 seconds further into the terminal. You'll almost always find empty, sparkling clean bathrooms no one knows about. Trust me, it's the least stressful 60 seconds you'll ever invest in a travel day. And finally, hack 10, time your arrival like a ninja. The early bird doesn't just get the worm, it avoids the chaos. Morning flights are statistically more reliable, less likely to be delayed, and the airport crowds haven't fully come alive yet. Bonus, TSA staff are fresher, security lines are shorter, and flights are often cheaper before 8 a.m. Yeah, it sucks waking up at 4 a.m. But know what sucks more? Spending 2 hours in gridlock check-in lines and missing your flight. Early equals calm. Here's the thing most travelers don't realize. Travel doesn't have to be this hard. Half the stress comes from walking into giant corporate systems designed around profit, not people. But with the right fixes, packed intelligently into a small bag, timed smart, and booked with some behind-the-scenes wizardry, you don't just travel better, you travel brilliantly. And once you experience flying without frustration, you'll never go back. Still with me? Good. Because being a smart traveler means always learning, always adapting. Now, if those 10 hacks didn't already level up your travel game, here's the truth. The smartest travelers aren't just saving money or skipping lines, they're planning 2 moves ahead like chess masters in yoga pants. So while this video's top 10 travel hacks might have ended, we're not stopping there. Let's call these next ones your bonus round, your secret level, your how did I ever travel without this section. Here we go. Bonus hack number 1, don't eat before takeoff, eat during boarding. Sounds weird? Let me explain. If you eat before your flight and then sit for hours in a cramped seat, your digestion slows, bloat builds, and your gut gets grumpy. Instead, grab your meal, but eat it after you board, once you're settled. Your body stays busy digesting while you adjust to the flight, and by the time boredom kicks in, guess what? You're already halfway to your destination. Plus, airport food isn't exactly cheap, so if you want to skip the $29 avocado toast near gate C19, bring snacks you actually like. Protein bars, dried fruit, or even a sandwich wrapped tight. Just make sure it's solid food. Liquids over 3.4 ounces are still the enemy of boarding agents everywhere. Bonus hack number 2, bag your cords and cables strategically. You know that tangle of chargers, headphones, and adapters you always throw into your bag like spaghetti? Yeah, that's the reason TSA always triple checks your stuff like you're smuggling microchips. Instead, put all your electronics in one zip-up pouch. Clear if you can. Label it. That way security sees it fast. And if you're ever randomly asked to unpack, you won't be the person holding up the line while fishing a phone cable out of a sock. Better yet, wrap cords in rubber cable ties so they sit flat. It's nerdy, it's beautiful, it's efficient. Bonus hack number 3, the cross-pack technique. This one's for couples or anyone traveling with a companion. Split your clothes between both suitcases. So instead of putting all your stuff in bag A and your partner's in bag B, put 50% of your stuff in each. That way, if one bag gets lost, you both still have outfits to wear. Sounds crazy until you're standing at the baggage claim, watching everyone else walk away, and your suitcase is where? Reykjavik. Cool. At least now you have underwear and a change of socks. Bonus hack number 4, pick security lines with more business travelers. Watch who you line up behind. Screaming toddlers, oversized strollers, people juggling passports like playing cards. Red flag. But if you see mostly solo travelers in loafers with laptops out before they even reach the belt, that line's your express lane. Frequent flyers are usually faster, more efficient, and nobody's arguing about water bottles. It's not profiling, it's play-by-play strategy. Bonus hack number 5, snap a quick photo of everything, your passport, your boarding pass, your checked bag before you hand it over, especially the tag they slap on it. If your bag gets lost, that photo might be the only way the airline can quickly identify it. Also, take a picture of your parking spot if you left your car at the airport. Nothing ruins a great trip like returning home and wandering around level 5, row G, asking yourself if you landed in the wrong timeline. Bonus hack number 6, check your destination airport map before you land. Most people wait until they're off the plane to figure out where baggage claim is, or worse, where customs, restrooms, and SIM card kiosks are located. The chaos of arrival disorients people. Beat the crowd by downloading or viewing the terminal map of your destination airport while you're still in the air. Mark where you need to go. It shaves 15 to 20 minutes off your exit time and makes you look like a total pro. Bonus hack number 7, noise-canceling earbuds plus white noise app equals superpower. Long-haul flight? Whiny baby? Drunk seatmate talking about his crypto startup? Nope. You plug in, launch a white noise app or airplane cabin sound loop, and boom, personal tranquility. Bonus tip, some smart travelers use brown noise instead of white. It's softer, deeper, and masks cabin noise even better. Bonus hack number 8, scan your ID and key docs to your phone. If you lose your passport or driver's license abroad, having digital copies can speed up the replacement process, especially at embassies or hotels. Store them in a locked note or secure cloud storage app. Paranoia? Maybe. But let me tell you, real stress is trying to prove your identity in a country where you barely speak the language and the airline rep is already on break. Bonus hack number 9, use airline apps like a power tool. Most people forget this. The airline's own app can sometimes notify you of delays, gate changes, or upgrades 10 to 15 minutes before the airport screens update. You can also pick your seat, often without calling anyone. You're literally holding mission control in your hand, but most still treat it like a glorified PDF viewer. Bonus hack number 10, travel like every day is the last day of your trip. What does that mean? It means your carry-on should always include the essentials. One change of clothes, basic toiletries, meds, and charger cables. Because when your check bag does go missing, or your flight gets rerouted to a random city overnight, you won't be the person asking an airport kiosk if they sell toothbrushes and underwear at 2 a.m. They don't. And remember, smart travel isn't about stuffing in more, it's about stripping away the stress. When you know what's coming, you move through airports like you've been there 1,000 times, even if it's your first trip abroad. Confidence isn't just from experience, it's from preparation plus insider tips no one else is using yet. So now it's your move. You've got the list, you've got the hacks. And next time you're weaving through a chaotic check-in line like a Zen master in sneakers, or chilling in a quiet, undiscovered lounge, snack in hand, while others battle for USB outlets, you'll remember this video gave you the edge. Now go, travel smarter, travel smoother. Travel like it's not your first rodeo, even if it is. Because once you level up, it's game over for stress,